not done. I think I might throw up. This is rather painful. Might come out as a fart later. Oh. That was a bad idea. But look. Empty. Shit. I'm afraid to burp. I want to get fucking barf on my mom's wet netbook. Oh. I'm afraid. You guys help me. You must. Wait a minute. Maybe. I don't want to swallow more air. That'll hurt. I'm probably gonna throw up. Probably gonna throw up. I feel pregnant now. You know, I just feel pregnant. Like my stomach's bloated. This is really sad. I want my pickle sandwich. I think I just gave birth. I'm very close to giving birth. Out of my mouth. Just really want a really good burp right now. That was a terrible idea. I don't feel good.
Terrible idea.
Wait a minute.
Yes.